What is regression? Let's take Chloe's example. Chloe owns an ice cream cart. Chloe knows that on a sunny day, there is a lot of demand for her ice cream. However, on a rainy day, she made too little ice cream and it got sold out. Have you ever tried to guess something? Make too much ice cream on a rainy day and it melts. Make too little ice cream on a sunny day and you lose customers. What if a computer could help you make a really good guess? And this is where a machine learning type called regression comes in. Hello everyone, my name is Aditi and today we are going to talk about regression in very simple terms. Let's go back to Chloe's ice cream cart. Chloe is smart. She realizes that weather seems to affect her sales. She starts writing it down. She sees a simple pattern. The hotter the day, the more ice cream she sells. It's a relationship between two things, temperature and sales. Regression is all about teaching a machine exactly this, to find relationships and patterns in things we already know. So, how does the machine learn? It takes all of Chloe's past data and plots it on a graph. Each graph represents one day. Here is a cool day with low sales, and here is a hot day with high sales. The machine learning model does something very simple but powerful. It draws a line. This isn't just any line, it's the best fit line, the one that gets as close as possible to all the dots at once. This line represents the pattern that Chloe discovered. Regression is nothing but using the past data to predict a future number. This line is now our prediction tool. If Chloe wants to know how much ice cream to make tomorrow, she just needs a weather forecast. Let's say tomorrow it's going to be 30 degrees. The machine looks at 30 degrees on the bottom and then follows it up on the line. And then looks across to see the predicted value of sales. And voila, the model predicts that she will sell about 8 tons of ice cream. This is the magic of regression, using past data to predict a future number. And this isn't just for ice cream. Regression is used everywhere. It's used to predict house prices based on size and location, to estimate the value of used car based on its age and mileage, and even to forecast sales in big companies or trends in stock market. Anytime you need to predict a specific amount, a price, a temperature, a score, regression is a tool for the job. Simple versus multiple regression. Now, what we saw with Chloe is called simple regression. It's simple because we just used one thing, the temperature, to predict her sales. But what if Chloe gets even smarter? She realizes that sales are also higher on the weekend and they go way up when there's a concert in the park nearby. When we use more than one information to make our prediction, it's called multiple regression. It's the same idea, but now our model is more powerful because it's looking at the temperature, the day of the week, and local events to make an even more accurate guess. So let's recap. 1. Regression is a type of machine learning that finds patterns in your data. It does this by finding the best fit line that describes the relationship between your inputs and the results. And 3. Its main job is to predict a number. And 4. You can use just one input to make a prediction. That's simple regression. Or combine many inputs and make a more accurate guess. That's multiple regression. So next time you hear about a system that predicts a price or a value, you will know what exactly is happening behind the scenes. It's not magic, it's just a clever line. Thanks for watching, and in our next video we'll ask, what if you're not predicting a number but choosing between categories like cat or dog? Stay tuned for explanation of classification. Don't forget to like or subscribe to Master AI with Aditi and follow me on LinkedIn for more simple explanations about machine learning.